So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can build a cryptocurrency mining website. You hear that right? So this is a cryptocurrency mining website. So if you want a business whereby you allow people to mine cryptocurrency in your website, so this project is awesomely for you. So as you can see, this is beautifully designed. It looks so sleek. So it has a calculator right here. Once you come to this part of the home page, you can click and select the plan you want, right? The coin, this is the coin, and you come right here and select the plan. It will automatically give you an estimated revenue of such mining process. Okay, so we have the about us on it, how it works. So first of all, you got to create an account, you choose a plan, you start mining, and you start having your reward being withdrawn to your own local bank. So also have the frequently asked question page right here, of which you can see, and you can subscribe to our channel, and from the admin you're gonna get a subscribed email, and from there you can do your campaign email marketing. Understand? So right here we have the transaction log. So this will display all of the transactions that will be going on within the site, the latest payment, the latest withdrawal. So from here, with all of this, when people come to your site, they will like, okay, people has been doing a lot of activity right here. So those that have withdrawn, to be showing these people has withdraw, this has withdraw. As you can see right here, we have latest payment. John Murphy made a $25 payment right here. So we still have withdraw to be made. And the next one we have right here is our service. So it has a 24/7 customer support, instant connect, easy withdrawal, cloud mining. Okay, so right here is the plan section where user can change plan, and you can also customize all of the color, the font of this project. Okay, so I choose this fair yellow with the white. Possibly maybe we're going to use orange. So I'm going to show you how you can easily and manually configure this site to suit your business. So the next thing we have is the blog page right here, and you can click on it and you read more of this project. So what people say are special features. So from here you can see the features, so you can read that on your own. So what people say about us, so these are comments and these are testimony. Okay, so you can, from the admin section, you can actually customize all of these testimonials, right? You can customize them, and your user also can make a testimonial, submit, and it will also appear on the site. So these are footers. You can see everything is well and beautifully designed. So if you love what we do in the channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, because it is very essential. We need it, and the purpose of you subscribing to our channel is that whenever we make an upload of such fantastic project to our channel, you'll be the first person to be notified of it, right? You'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube push notification or on other social media platform that you're going to see this video. So the next thing we have right here, we have the pages on the menu. So we have the about us page. So let's click on it and see how beautifully designed. You can see the preloader is awesome. This is so sleek. So let's see our mining plans. So it also display our mining plan. So currently we just have one mining plan, which is the starter, and it's on the price of $25 for 45 days, and per day you're gonna be earning $3. So if you make this, you should choose this plan of $25 for 5 days mining, and you're earning $3 per day. So $3 times 45 will be rounding up to about 135, if I'm correct. Then we proceed. So the next one we have right here is the blocks. So let's see the blocks. Let's see what we have. So you can actually make any blog post you want. You have a feature, you have something you want people to engage in, you have maybe a certificate, your company wants some certificates, or you have any endorsement, you can just make them on this blog page and people read about the activity that your company has been engaging in. So as you can see, we have a lot of blogs, and we have the page pagination, so you can switch from page 1, page 2, page 3 to page 10. So the next thing we have, let's see the contact us page right here, and this is our contact us page. As you can see, everything about this site is well developed and fantastic. So if you need access to these resources, as said, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number. It's gonna be on my profile. Once you click on my profile, you're gonna see it on my bio, and you can just chat me up, and I will give you how you can get access to this project. So on the menu we still have we have the language selector, so you can create more every other languages that you want people to business with. Maybe you want people from Greeks to mine in your site, you want people from Italy, you want people from Mexico, you want people from Iraq, from Australia. So you just add the languages from the admin section. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do every and all of that. So the next thing we have is the register and the login. So quickly we're going to register now as a user and see how we can start working with this. So let's say our username should be, let me just say Pink's Tech, and our email. So let me just copy. Okay, let me use this one right here. And so our country, so let me just choose a foreign country. Let me say I'm from Louisiana. Yes, I'm from Louisiana. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a password. So just put in any password that you know. And let's see again. So you click on I agree, and let's register right now. So as you can see, so the next page you have right here is to verify. So a verification code will be sent to our email. So the email you use in registering, a verification code will be sent to it. So you're gonna go to the Gmail account of what you use in registering. So let me just type in Gmail. Yeah, this one redirecting us. Okay, so we're trying to get a verification code from our Gmail account. So you see the project also through mail, and it has a lot of cool features. Every transaction that will be going on within the user will be getting an email notification. So that's also awesome. And you can also set up the SMS. I'm going to show you how you can set up the SMS you want your site to be throwing SMS to as a mail, as a message rather. So I'm going to show you guys all of that real quick. So while we wait for this, let's try to get our mail from another browser. Okay, I guess we're in. So let's refresh this. I'm not sure. This is not. No. Okay, let me just get this Gmail. So we use vacuumate 11. Vacuumate. So where is vacuumate? Okay, so we are in. So we've seen the SMS. So let's scroll down and copy the verification code. Okay, still loading. So we are in Nigeria and we mostly have network issues. So as it's loading in this delay form, let us just be patient. You can get a bottle of beer right with you and make yourself merry while we wait for our network to load us up real quick. Okay, so we're waiting. So this network is not really helping, but we have no choice because we need this verification code so that we can log into the user dashboard. So we just have to wait for this code. Okay, so let's go back to our site. Let's see what's going on. So let's click on try again. Let's request for another code. Okay, so we've gotten it right here. So let's copy the code. Okay, so it's verifying. So we verified. So the next page is for we to put in our details. So let's say James, then last name James West. It looks good, right? James West. So let's submit. So those address I put here is demo content. Okay, so for you're gonna put in the proper details. So the next thing that this site is requesting for us that we need to submit our KYC. So the KYC is mandatory process for identifying and verifying the identity of the client when sending money using our remittance site. After providing all this information requested by the administrator, one of our administrator will verify it and declare you as a KYC verified. So that KYC is to verify your identity, that you are not a robot, you are a human being, right? So let's put in what is required for KYC. So they ask us to submit a passport. So you're going to browse your computer and pick up a passport anywhere you can get one. So I will just pick this as my passport and my national ID card front. I will also just pick this as it, and this also I will just pick. So all of these are demo content because this is a tutorial. Okay, but for as a real user, you're gonna put in your original document so that the administrator will verify you immediately once it's been seen. Okay, so it says our verification is pending, so we're going to wait for the administrator to verify our KYC. Okay, so before we proceed any further, so let's log in as an admin. So let's log in as an admin so that we can start right away. Okay, let's log in admin here. Okay, so to get in as an admin, you're gonna use your domain/admin. Okay, your domain/admin to get into the admin login page. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do every of these. So let's continue. Ensure you watch this video from the start to end so that you don't miss any vital parts. So I already know my admin login, so I'm going to show you how you can create your admin login. Okay, so let's just proceed. Okay, so we logged in as an admin. So currently we have total user, 3 active users, and we have 1 unverified email. So let's go to the KYC aspect and verify that user's KYC so that the user can proceed with what you want to do on the site. So the site is still loading. I know our network is so slow. Okay, so continuing. So let's scroll down to where we're going to see KYC. So let's come to where we can see KYC. So let's come to KYC settings. Okay, let's come to KYC settings. So let's verify this guy KYC. Okay, so it's under manage user, so we just scroll down, then we'll see KYC pending. So you're going to click on KYC pending, and we're going to see that guy or what you uploaded. So this is vacuum it 11. So we're going to click on data, that is the details of what is sent. So this is how what is sent. So you can just go ahead and click on it, and it will download it and preview it for you. So let's just click on one and see how it is. So it's downloading, then you just preview it. If it suits what you want, then you just click on approve. So I'm going to click on approve right here, and I'm going to click on yes. So that guy KYC had been approved successfully. So that user now can go ahead with what he wants to do. So let's quickly go back to the user account. So let's refresh this user right here. So as you can see, the KYC pending notification is gone, so his KYC is now verified. So next we want to do right here is we want to start mining, want to start making money. Everybody wants to make money online, so let's see how we're going to make a lot of money right now. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to make a lot of money. So let's click on start mining, and so we have this plan. So click on buy now, and we click on buy now. So before they select your payment method, I can say direct payment. We have payment from balance, but we haven't found our user wallet yet, so we can't use from balance because this account is fresh. So we want to pay direct, so click on pay direct and click on buy now. So this is what we're buying. Starter, the price of $25. So you can change it to any price. Maybe you are operating a very premium business, maybe from $100, from 500, 1,000, depending on what you understand your clients about. So on the payment gateway, we have bank transfer as configured now. So I'm going to show you how you're going to create a lot of payment gateway. If you want automated payment gateway, you want manual payment gateway, I'm going to show you guys all of that real quick. So just stay tuned while we proceed. So we're using a bank transfer, and so the limit of what you can transact using bank is the minimum of $25 and the maximum of $10,000. So the charge is 1%, I guess, so that is $1.25 and payable. So if we are being charged 1.25, so this package payment will be on $26.25. So you are not paying $25 flat, it will be 26 because there's a charges of which you are going to add, and the conversion rate is $1 equal to 1,300. So it converts it automatically. So I'm going to show you how all this is being done. So you have to pay in naira at 34,125. So you just click on submit. So it has pop up the bank details of which you are going to make your payment to. So you have requested this, please play this for a successful transaction. Please follow the instruction below, make your payment to the account details below, and these are the account details. So I'm not going to read it so that because by the time I call a bank name I might get sanctioned. Okay, so you can read it yourself and make it known to yourself. And before we proceed any further, I'm in every disclaimer to anything that pertains with fraud or fraudulent acts or scam. This is just for for educational purpose, for those of the students in university that are needing a project as this for their project, their final year project, or any kind of class project. You need this material, you can contact me for it. So it's for educational purpose only. So the next thing it requires right here, say upload an image of your payment proof. So maybe a screenshot. So the person is going to click on choose file right here and upload the payment proof and click on pay now. So let's assume we've paid. You understand, this is just a tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to go to the admin and approve this payment, and this guy will start mining a lot of money. This guy is going to be rich. So let's go to the admin section right here, and let's just refresh, or just click on any button, maybe the dashboard, right, of which I just clicked, and let's come back right here to payment, another payment. So let's see pending payment. So as you can see, Jim West has a pending payment of this, so let's approve this payment, and this guy start making a lot of money. So this is how you can tell your clients to come invest in your in your business, and you pay them and everyone is happy. So we've just approved that transaction. So if we go back to the user right here, and let's just click on dashboard right here, and we're going to see that this guy has started mining. So as you can see, the transaction has gone on. So successful deposit, so it has been deposited. So let's come to mining right here, and let's click on mining track. Let's say mining track. So this guy mining has been approved. So let's click on details. So created at the 18th of January, starter plan $25 on silver miner at 25 m hash per seconds rate. So return per day will be earning $33 for the total of 45 days. So it's remaining 45 days because we just started. So this is really nice. So it also have the referral system. When you refer people, you get commissioned. So let's quickly go to the admin section and show about the referral functionality. So if you scroll down to where we're gonna see refer, so if you see it before me, show it to me. So we're looking for referral. So this referral settings right here. So in the referral settings, you can set it to a 2-level referral system, a 3-level referral system, a 5-level referral system. What do I mean by that? If you just want I invite you, invite person, the referral system should end there. Or you want it I invite you, invite person, the person invite another person, and it should end there. Or I invite you, you invite person, person invite another person, person invite another person, person invite another person, and you want to be getting commission on all level of referral, so you can easily set those up. So let's see. So level 1, so you can cancel anyone. The old settings will remove after generating new. So how much do you want the first referral to end? The level will not be the same. Like if I invite you direct on any transaction you're going to do, I should end like, let me say, 20%. Now if that person invite another person, maybe the commission I can get from that third person, it will not be like 20 of my direct referred. So it will be like, maybe I'll gain like 10% of it. Then that person I'll gain maybe like 5%. Then that person gain like 3%. So that is what this functionality is about. And you can remove any level of referral. So let's assume we want to remove level 5. We just want 3 referral system. It's too much. The company will not be able to provide for all these people. It's a whole lot of money. The company will run bankrupt. So most referral system ends at 3 at most. So let's say we just want 3 referral systems. So let's say the first person, the direct person you refer, will give you 5% of transaction. The second person will give you 3%, and the last person should be 1%. So this is a good ratio. Then click on submit. So that is how this referral system works. So you can actually use the referral system to drive a lot of a lot of customer. When you make your referral system very high, maybe person invites one person and make a lot of money. See, a lot of people start inviting family, friends, and before you know, boom, you are up the globe. So the next one we have is the logo and favicon. So to change that, you just select the one you want, and click on submit. So let's see. Then for language, just as I explained, possibly you want people from Greece to invest in your platform. You want people from Tokyo, from China, from a lot of places to invest on your project, you can just create their language, because some people don't read English. So you just click on add new right here, then the language name. So let me just say I want to add Persian. So Persian is the language they speak in Iraq and Iran. So the language code, so you just come to your browser right here on Google, and you're gonna type in language code of then the country you want. Are you getting it? So in this case I'm using Persian. So it's going to show me the language code. So the language code I'm going to insert. The language code will generate the language structure. You understand? That is why everything goes with the code. So as you can see, okay, what is the category of Persian? Okay, so it's right here, so I don't need to go too far. So the language code is either this or this. So I will go with this one. So ISO 63392. So this is the language code. So let's click on here. I'm going to insert it. So this is the language code. Set as default. No, want English to be default. So, or let's try one because it's too weird. Then click on submit. So we have it. So you can add as more languages you want. So we're done with language. So let's go to the SEO Manager. SEO Manager simply means your search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, that is meaning of SEO. That means how you want your, that is, if people browse about your site, the information that should come about it. So hashtag, so these are the meta keywords. That means if they type a particular word, your site should come among the suggested. You know, when you go to Google and you type a word, it will bring out a lot of sites that have such content in them. So your site also can come up as one of those in this. So that is pretty much of what this is about. So you just set them up, you read the default that is here, and you insert yours, and that is how it goes. So let's see for the notification settings. So we have the global template, the email settings. So you come, where are we? So let's click on email settings right here. So on the email settings, so let's see how we can set up our SMTP for our sites to be able to send mail to our Gmail account, to our Yahoo Mail account, to any email account you are using. So to do this up, I'm also going to show you when we start developing this. You know, currently now I'm showing you the functionality of this web project. So when we come to the development aspect, I'm going to show you. So you require the cPanel to be able to get these credentials. So that also pertains to SMS, to global templates, notification templates, etc. So we also have to manage templates, manage pages, manage section. So under the manage pages, the information that will be on your front end, you can actually edit all of the information that will be on your front end, all the information that will be on your front end. So you come right here and you click on settings. So it's going to bring up the editable page section, and you're going to edit it. So any statement you want visitor to read about your site, that is what they will see, of which you had inserted in. So you make all the changes and you click on submit. So our network is really too slow, we just have to manage it. So let's see what other do we have. So payment, so let's see payment gateway. This payment gateway is very essential. So we have the automatic payment gateway, we have the manual payment gateway. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can set up all of these payment gateway. So once you click on gateway, so as you can see, this was the bank transfer gateway I created, of which we use in making that transaction earlier in this video. So you can click on add new right here, and maybe you want a Bitcoin, you want them to send the money in Bitcoin. For the sake of privacy, you can just say gateway name Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currency should be what? BTC. And what is the rate? So $1 should be equal to how many BTC? So you can just come to your Google right here and you type in $1 to Bitcoin. $1 to Bitcoin. So you search it like that. Google will give you the correct statement. So it's 0.000024 BTC. So you just copy that same, you just copy it and come back to where you have it right here, and you click, you just paste it. So it will do the calculation by itself. So minimum, maybe we want the minimum of let's say $50 BTC, right? So $50 BTC. So you come back right here and change this one to 50 to get the actual conversion rate. So let's say $50 to Bitcoin. So $50 to Bitcoin. So this, okay, it's right here, so it's 0.00. so the minimum, okay, this is in dollar conversion. So let's just say $50. We want the minimum of, no, we want cash out on time. So let's say minimum you can deposit in a project is $100, and the maximum you can deposit 1 million. Yes, you can deposit 1 million. We'll accept it. So fixed charge, let's just say 1% rate. I want to be fair, 1% rate. So you can choose the percentage rate you want to charge for every transaction. Remember, if you have your rate too high, it will discourage people. So the next thing you want to do right here is, now you want to write the deposit instruction. So I'm going to write here, make your payment to the Bitcoin wallet address below. Okay, so you just go to where you have your Bitcoin wallet address, copy and come back and paste it. Copy and paste. You don't type, because it's in a blockchain encoding system. So let's just assume I type my own, I paste my own shell. I cannot be doing that. It will take a lot of time. So this is my Bitcoin wallet address. Then I'm going to give an instruction to capture them real quick. So I'm going to say make your payment within the time frame of 5 to 10 minutes. So they will hurry up. Sometimes you need to hurry people up. So to make this different from the other text, you can just highlight it and you come to this format tools. You can bold it. You can change the font size to, let's say, 14 pixels. Okay, it looks good right now. And you scroll down, so user data. So let's say Okay, what do we want to require of them? So we can say we want a file, we want it required, and the label I'm going to say upload an image of your payment proof. So file extension, so what type of file do you want to accept? So I want to accept JPG, I want to accept JPEG, I want to accept PNG, and also want to accept PDF. So those are any of the 5 formats that the person is uploading. Some I want to screenshot, some I want to download the receipt, and most receipt downloaded is on PDF. So you must have a lot of file extension format. So we've hit the submit button, so all of that payment method has been set correctly. So let's go to the automatic payment gateway. So what we just did was a manual payment gateway, so let's configure an automatic payment gateway. Let's assume I want to use BTCPay, so I'll click on edit right here. Or you want to use blockchain, or you want to use PayPal, or you want to use any automatic gateway, but all of this will require something, which is, now you will now go to your browser and browse BTCPay, create an account with them, verify your account. So let me just say BTCPay. So it's going to bring up the site. So as you can see, btcpayserver.org. What I see is BTCPay. I did not see server. So be ensured that you're on the right site. Don't go and put your money where nobody sent you. So just ensure you know the site you are using for as your payment gateway. So let me assume this is the BTCPay. Okay, so you just click on it, create an account, fund the account, and use the account to make payment. Then as a developer, you can come right here and generate an API key. So once you create an account with them, so let's see what you'll be needing from the account. You'll be needing your store ID, you'll be needing your API key, you'll be needing your server name and your secret code. So once you take that from your user dashboard in BTCPay, you come right here and paste them. Once you paste them, you click on submit. So this payment method has been configured automatically, so people can now make payments automatically on your site. So that is how you're going to do on every payment you want on your site. So let's see the payments we have. We have a lot of payments right here, a lot. Start mentioning is going to take a lot of time. So I guess almost everybody's payment method is here. Okay, so you can go ahead and configure all of them if you have those time. So the next one we can do is, okay, let's say withdraw. So we don't have any withdraw function now because that guy is still mining. So let's see support ticket. Okay, support ticket, you can create a support ticket. Maybe you're having an issue with the site, you want to contact the management. So this is how you're gonna do it. So everything is set, the extension language, SEO, KYC. So we've discussed pretty much. So let's go back to the user and see some few. Okay, so once this guy start making profit, it's gonna show here. Your referral bonus also is gonna show here. Your USDT wallet is gonna show here. So these are the functions the user can do. So you can go ahead and browse on every functionality. So quickly, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this your beautifully designed cryptocurrency mining website. Okay, so let's get started. So for we to get started, first of all, you need to have a hosting and a domain. So I highly recommend you using Namecheap. If you've heard about Namecheap before, you can create a new account using my affiliate link. Is a condition, okay? If you are using Bluehost, if you are using webmanager.ng, so I'll be dropping my affiliate link of all of these companies where you can actually get hosting and domain. So use my referral link to purchase from them. If you just go to them, you just browse them ordinarily and make payment, but if you use my referral link and you make payment, I'll get commissioned. So this commission is part of the love you are showing back, okay? Yes, so that's the support the channel actually need. So ensure you use my referral link so that we can stay updated. So use either Namecheap or Web Manager. So let me log into one of my accounts so that you can see. So I'm going to use Web Manager for the purpose of this tutorial. In my other previous video, I've been using Namecheap, so I want to get people familiar with Web Manager. That's why I'm using them for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you are going to use Namecheap, you can go back to some of my previous videos and watch how I explained how you can purchase a hosting and a domain on Namecheap. So it's pretty same way because it's same function this company are doing. So the way I go in this is the same way you can also go in your Namecheap. Both has fantastic services. So once you scroll down, I love going it through here. So once you scroll down to the footer, you're going to see shared hosting. Just click on shared hosting on Web Manager. Then you scroll down, then you're going to choose the plan you want. So these people are offering as low as 1,400 naira per month. Initially used to be 2,000. Now they want you to get a hosting account for just 1,400. So if you multiply it by, let's say, a year, 1,400 times 12 monthly, so you are rounding up to about let's say possibly 16 something, let's say 16 flat. So 16,000 is pretty one of the cheapest currently now, one of the cheapest. And guess what, once you use my referral link, you will still have a discounted price. So it's as if you are getting some things free, okay? So use my link, is on the video description below, and you're gonna get it. So we're gonna click on get started right here. So while we're going on, it's going to prompt where we're going to enter a domain we want to use. So as we are having that issue still on, our service is not that good. So let's say I want to say pings, let's say pingstack mining, right? Let's say pingstack mining. So you use the one that concerns you. So let me say I want the .com extension. I don't want .ng. I don't want people to know that it's a Nigeria company. I want the .com so that anywhere from around the world use .com. But if you are using .ng, it means that your company is only operating in Nigeria. If you use .uk, you should know. Use .us, you should know. So your extension determines a lot. So the general extension is either .com, .net, .online, etc, etc. So this is available. Pingstackmining.com is available at the rate of 13,900. So I'll just come right here and I'll click on continue. Did I add it to cart? We're gonna see. So let's just click on go back. So let's check it again. So you click on add to cart. Sorry about that. You click on add to cart. So once it's added, then you come right down here and click on continue. Then you're gonna click on, now this free domain, they say yes when you are buying a .ng domain. So if you are buying a domain with .ng, you won't pay the 13,900. Is that not great? It's so great. And when you are only buying a hosting account on a yearly billing cycle, 16,800, so possibly you just only pay 16,800, but because it's .com I choose, the price will still remain 13,900. So you can choose any cycling bin you want. Maybe you want a monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. So let's just say you want it annually, then you click on continue. So you can just add this one because this one is free. Add this one to cart. So you click on continue. So my total is 30,700. 30,700. So then you click on checkout. You provide your payment details, any suitable payment method they have that you want to use, you use. So I don't need to do that, or should I? Let me just click on checkout and see what it is. So now it wants me to register. I don't have that time. So once you've registered, you've made your purchase, so you're going to have your, so let me log in to one of my accounts. Let me log into one of my accounts. Okay, let's just quickly get the password. So this is it. So we're logged in. So once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on client area. So you'll be on your client area, then you click on service. Once you click on service, it's going to show you, you click on the plan. As you can see, it's hovered because I'm on it. You click on the plan, then you're going to click on go to cPanel. cPanel means control panel. So this is where we're going to start working on this project. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head to your cPanel, then you click on your cPanel, and if you are doing this for the first time, it's going to be under your public underscore HTML. So I already have the file on it. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a subdomain. That I can use for this. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can create a subdomain. So you come right here and click on create a new domain. Then you just head back. These are to create a domain, okay? So yeah, my this one high. So let's say this is tutorial. Let's say tut dot, then you paste it two dots, then you paste it. You uncheck this, leave it the way it is, then you click on submit. So in this case we've created a subdomain. So let's head back to our C panel right here and let's refresh. So as you can see, it's now right here. So then you click on your upload button. So this is where you're going to upload the file. Click on your select file. So then you browse your file to where you can locate the file. It might not be the way you are seeing mine. Just ensure you know where you have it. After which you have contacted me for this project file and I've given it to you. So wherever you have downloaded it to, you from there upload it. So I'm going to click on the file. I just clicked on it, so it's going to upload. So before then, let me quickly check something. Is it in my view trash? So it's in my view trash. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to cancel this. It's a waste of megabyte, abi. So in that case, you just allow it to grow. Once it becomes green, then it has fully uploaded. So I already have it on. Or let me just upload it so that you'll be more confirmed. So once it loads, you're gonna wait till it becomes green. I said till the progress bar becomes green. So you're just gonna wait as long as you can, because despite it showing 100% like this, right, if you leave this page it will terminate. So you're gonna wait until the progress bar changes from blue to green. So I'm waiting, so you also have the choice to wait. Okay, why we are expecting this, let's quickly go and create a database. We don't need to waste any time. So you come right here because our project actually need the database, so we need to create a database for our project. So you're going to click on data and you click on this database wizard. So let's call this to 2, or let's say to 1 or to O. To O, let's use O. Let us use, so let's be tuto, right? This makes sense. So you can suggest your own name for your own purpose. I'm just managing what I know, so that tomorrow if I want to delete the database for the use of another, I will know what I'm deleting. You understand? So that's it. So our database is being created. So you just double tap on it and copy it. So the reason why I name my database the same name with my database user, so anyone I copy I can use for both, right? I can use for both. So you're gonna check on all privileges. We want all privilege. We don't want anything to be missing. Any function we want to be there. So our database has been created successfully. So let's head back to where we have it. So as you can see, it's now green, so it's fully uploaded. So we can just cancel this page and be on our, so let's browse our file manager once more, because that's where we need to be working on. So then you tap on it, right click, and you click on extract. Then you click on extract again. So our file has been extracted. So we don't want it in a folder. We want to copy all of this file and move it outside. So you're going to click on select all and move. Then you delete the folder it's been found in, and let's click on move files. So our file has been moved, so we can head back. So it's now currently on our subdomain, it's not in a folder. So we can copy this subdomain and browse our site now, so that we can further with the other configuration settings. Okay, so it's loading. So it is loaded. So the next thing we want to do is you want to scroll down and click on I agree, and next step. So we need to activate all of these permissions. So the permission is under core bootstrap cache, core storage app, core storage framework, core storage log. So we need to change the permission to the required permission the system needs. So we're gonna head back to our cPanel, our files. So it was under core bootstrap, then cache. So cache need the permission of 775. So let's change it from 755 to 775. Click on enter. So let's go back. Then the next one is core storage. So storage changed. So then inside storage, we're also going to change everything inside the storage, app, framework, log, and the rest. So let's edit this also. And let's edit the last one right here. So since all this have been, let's go and refresh if we've granted. So let's recheck. So we've done all our permission granted. So this is our subdomain link. So now let's paste in our database. So this was a database, and this is a database user, and host is a local host, right? We are hosting it locally on our PC, okay? And this okay, database password. So your admin user, so I'm going to give this admin password. I'm going to give it this. Then email, let me just give it, I've opened vacuum it. So let me click on install. So database credential is not valid. Oh, we have copied another thing again. So let's go back to where we created a database. It's not in our what do they used to call it, template, Abby. So we need to recopy it again. Maybe we've copied another new thing, so it has overlaid this that we copied initially. So now let's paste it. Okay, so let's paste it. And then it's localhost and password. Okay, so admin 05. So let's click. Okay, so your system has been installed successfully, valid license. So let's go to website and activate it, and we are told to delete the install folder. So let's go back and delete the install folder. So let's delete this. So this has been deleted. So the next thing we want to do right here is, now we can see our site is now up and live. So for you to get your admin login, so you're gonna head back to your cPanel right here, and you're gonna click on PHP. You want to log in as an admin, right? PHP, then you look for PHP admin. So to get your admin on your site, you put on /admin. So /admin, so we need to get our admin credentials so that we can log in. So remember, this was the database we created to. So let's click on it. Wow, where did all this one? Okay. I was expecting myself to upload my structure query language manually, but the system already done that. So let's come right here and click on user. So under the user, okay, our site is still loading up. This site did not load up completely, so we need to hard refresh in this case. So Ctrl F5 to hard refresh. The reason why we hard refresh sometimes is to remove the redundant, those cache, those stored data that may not make our site to run smoothly. So let's see user login. Okay, let's click on admin. This is admin right here. So let's click on edit. So we're going to click on edit, then password. So we're going to change this password right here. So let's say now we need to know the correct encoding system, so that because most developer uses different encoding system, but for mine in this video I'm using the encrypt encoding system, encrypt. So you come right here. So once you've selected the encrypt encoding system, you're gonna select all and change it to the password you want your admin to use in accessing the resources. So since that has been done, so let's get the Gmail of the, so this is the Gmail. Okay, the user is admin. I'm doing too much. We've already set that up initially. It was admin during the setup. We've done that, so we don't need to change that one. But if you go ahead and change it, it's going to change successfully. So click on remember me and click on login. So we're logged in successful. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a cron job. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create a cron job. So you're going to click on this cron job shortcode and you head back to your cPanel right here, and you're going to click on cron. Just type cron. It's going to bring up cron job. Then you click on cron jobs and you scroll down. Now let's see the instruction of the cron job. It said to automate daily return amount, run the cron jobs on your server. Set the cron job time as minimum as possible. Once per 5 minutes is ideal. That means your site should be able to refresh every 5 minutes to be prompting functions going on. Like somebody mine, within 5 minutes you update. So cron jobs helps in running every activities updates and push notification. That is just like your Instagram, your WhatsApp, your Facebook. If you have a notification, it will drop down a push notification. So it's a function of the cron job. So you've heard that, right? So we come right here to where we are, and on the common settings you're going to choose on the once per 5 minutes, right? Once per 5 minutes. Then you scroll right here on the command. You're going to paste the cron job shortcode and you click on add new. So our cron job has been added. So let's click on close right here and let's click on hard refresh. So you see cron job is showing red here, right? Okay, let's see. So I already have one going on. Okay, so our cron job has been set. So from here you create miner. So let me show you can create a miner. So on the miner section, you click on add new, you click on the image of your miner. So you can download thumbnails, image that you can use, image such as this. Let me show you. So this kind of images, you can just download them, or if you need access to this image resource, you can reach me on my WhatsApp line. I'm going to give you those, and you don't need to break a vault to be able to provide or to get these resources. It will be so easy. So these kind of things are necessary. So let me just pick, possibly I want this one. Then let's call the miner name, let's say Jetlectron. No, now this one is cashy. Okay, then the coin code, I want to call this crypto. So minimum, my site is expensive, I want $100 minimum and $1 million maximum. So let's click on submit. So you've created a miner. Okay, you've created a miner. So the next thing you want to do right here, then you come to mining plan and create a plan using that miner. So you click on add new and just fill in this form. I'm not going to do those, just fill this form. So understand how you are filling it, or let's just fill it together. So let me say I want to call this let me call this Silver Pro. So the miner, I'm going to select Jetlectron. Then the price, I say maybe this $100 fixed. So return amount per day. So if you are investing $100, want you to be getting back $10. Want to bless you anyhow. Then the speed, let's just say 100 mega per hash rate in seconds. Then the period, want it to last for let's say 100 days. So it will be 10 times 100, 1000. So if you invest 100, you get 1000. Or let's just say for 10 days, 10 times 100 is, let's say we want to be giving you $50 per day for 10 days. That's $500 in total, right? It makes sense. So maintenance cost, we just want to charge 1% for electric maintenance cost. Then the features, so you can add, then description, let's call this poverty eradication. You can use a proper statement. Okay, this is what they normally use in is, we understand the statement. So let's submit. So we've created a mining plan. So the next thing we want to do is right here is the user is going to go ahead and purchase this plan and start mining and making a whole lot of money. You hear that, right? So this is pretty much we can do. Okay, I actually told you guys I'm going to show you how you can create an email. You should know that is really easy. So you come back to your cPanel right here, just type on email, then you click on email account, then you click on create. Okay, so you can set up your SMTP. Okay, so let's call this support. Let's call this email name support@ourdomain.com, and you're gonna put in the password that you know. Okay, and you're gonna click on create. So these are what we are going to use in configuring our SMTP so that your site can be sending mail. So we head back to our site. So you just come right here to email settings, okay. So this is the default PHP mailer, so we're going to come right down here and click on SMTP. So your host will be your domain, exclude the http colon or www, just take your domain.com, okay. Then the port are mostly 465. Then encryption should be simple security license. Then your username should be this, the mail you created. So the mail I created was what? Support, support. You can copy it to copy and paste. Is the best way of data transfer. Copy and paste so that you don't make error. I'm only typing it just to prove a point, but let me make you more clearer. Let me copy this. This is what I mean. You copy, you come right here and you paste so you don't make error. Then you put in the password that you used in creating your mail, then click on submit. So you've configured your SMTP correctly, as you can see. So if we should send a test mail, so let's say we want to send a test mail, let's say to vacuum it. So email has been sent to vacuum it. So let's go to vacuum. Where is vacuum it? This should be vacuum it. No, this should be vacuum it. So let's come to vacuum it. So as you can see, so our SMTP configuration is successfully. So as said, if you love what we're doing on this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button because it is a win-win game, okay. And to get access to this resource, I said earlier on, reach me on my WhatsApp line. You can see it on my profile bio. Alright, so I'll see you guys in our next class.